It begins here, in the fields where cassava roots grow deep beneath the soil. Each root is pulled by hand, a harvest built on generations of skill. From soil to structure, the journey to America's largest cassava plant begins. Inside, one of the country's largest cassava facilities prepares to transform the raw root. Every root is washed clean, stripped of soil before it enters the process. Trained hands inspect each root, only the finest continuing forward. Automated peelers remove the outer skin, revealing the pure white root inside. Powerful grating machines break the roots down into a fine, starchy pulp. Hydraulic presses squeeze out excess moisture, preparing the pulp for drying. The pressed cassava is broken into coarse pieces, ready for the dryers. Inside massive dryers, moisture evaporates, leaving behind dry cassava grain.
Perfectly dried granules are collected, one step closer to becoming flour.
High-powered mills grind the granules down into a fine, soft flour.
The result is a soft, pure white flour, refined to exact specification. Every batch is sifted for consistency, ensuring a smooth, uniform texture.
Quality specialists test every batch for purity, color, and fineness. Advanced testing confirms the flour meets the highest food-grade standards. The finished flour is ready, smooth, refined, and full of quality. Automated lines fill and seal each bag with speed and precision. Robotic arms stack each pallet, ready for shipment across the country. From the plant floor to the warehouse, precision never stops. Every shipment carries the result of care, precision, and craftsmanship. This is more than flour. It's the product of a process perfected. From root to flour, this is craftsmanship built at America's scale.